everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I'm here with a new video. As you can see by the title, it's a Fashion Nova haul. I have the bag right here. I just received it. It's a little heavy. So we are going to go ahead and open this up. So here are all the things that I got. So these heels right here are called Vivienne Lavish heel. I got them in size 6. This is how they look. And so I got these shoes before. I got them about 2 weeks ago in size 7, which I am size 7 sometimes. It depends on the shoe, but it was a little too big, so I returned those shoes and I got the 6. And this should be perfect for me because the number 7 was huge. So this is how it looks. I will be inserting a video right here on the side to show you how they look. Then I got this denim jacket. It's called Casual Friday denim jacket in pink. It's a size small. This is cute. That's how it looks. Then I got this shorts that look like skirts, and it's called Take Me Away lace skirts in size medium. That's how it looks. I also got this. What is this? This is a dress in size medium. It's called Here on the Dot mini dress. And already I can see that it's pretty. It's really pretty. Yeah, so this is how it looks. I'll be trying this on. Everything that I'm showing, I'm going to insert in another video right here to show you how it looks. So next I got the tube top. I think this is called. This is called Darling Ruffle Top in size medium. This is how it looks. This is tube top. Really cute. Look, that fits. I also got what is this? This is a bodysuit. It's called Victoria Lace Mesh bodysuit in size medium. It's a really nice nude. Alright, and this one, you can see that the little thing is sticking out. What it's called. Alright, let me see if I can fix that. Because it is lace all over, so I can kind of see why that would happen, but it's kind of sad. I don't know. I will have to take my time and see if I can fix that. But yeah, that is sticking out. So this is how it looks. It's a size medium. I got this belt. It looks like this. This is called Made It Work belt. It's a one size. And then I got this shorts in size 5, living it up, high waist denim shirt. This is how they look. It has this little French on the sides. I think that's really cute. And it's like an ombre. It's silver with pink. It's cute. That is really cute. Alright, next I got Sunshine Love Top, size medium. It's really cute. Full lace. Has a zipper in the back. It's see-through on the sides. I like this. I also got this a simple top. This is called Not Alone Crop Cami in size medium. This is like a basic top. Has lace right here all over. That's cute. Next we have, what is this? It's a blouse. This top is called Timeless Ruffle Blouse in size small. I wonder why I got a small, not a medium. Oh, okay. I think I did a good job of choosing the size because the clothes look a little baggy. So that's how it looks. It has a string in the middle that you can pull up. Next, I got the shorts in size small. It's called I Get You Denim Shorts. This does look a lot smaller than the other shorts. Well, the other ones were size 5. This is size small. They do have stretch, so I don't know if they're gonna fit. How they look. They are just right there inside. Very simple shorts. I hope they fit. Then I got another shorts. These are called Crush. Just Crush shorts in size medium. These were really cute on the website. How they look. That's cute. Look at the bottom. And look at the sides. That is sexy. Yes. Look at that. I really like these shorts. I hope they fit. They seem to run a little small, I heard. So let's see if that fits. I got this denim jacket. It's called Miss Dress denim jacket in size small. Size small, it's pretty pink. And it's big, it's long. So I would wear this with like a mini skirt and a crop top with heels, and then just this on the top, just cover up a little, you know. That's how it looks. I want to try it on for you guys, so I will try all these things on and I'm going to show you how they look. Yeah, you guys, so that's it. Everything looks exactly how it looked on the website. The material feels really good so far. Like I said, I'm going to be posting videos right on the side so you can see how they look and if they fit. If they don't, I just return them, you know. So far, the return process for me has been very easy. I give them 5 stars so far, so good. So yeah, I think this is it for this video, you guys. Let me know how you like the items that I got down below, if you will wear them or if you think that they are too much for you. Let me know, I want to know. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video for more, and I'll see you in my next one. Take care of yourself. Bye.